Do you ever wish life were like a video game? In a game, if you want to get stronger, you just press a button. If you want to be faster, you buy a potion. But in real life, leveling up feels hard. Homework is boring. Cleaning your room takes forever. And trying to get better at sports or art can feel impossible. But what if I told you there are cheat codes for real life? They aren't magic. They are called self-improvement methods. Today, I'm going to teach you the top 3 methods. These will help you get smarter, faster, and better at anything you want. Let's press start. Method number 1, the power of yet. The first method is about your brain. Imagine you were trying to learn a cool skateboard trick or a hard math problem. You fall down. You get the answer wrong. You might think, I'm not good at this. Stop. You just need to add one small word to the end of that sentence. Yet. I'm not good at this yet. I don't understand this yet. This is called a growth mindset. Scientists found out that your brain is like a muscle. When you make a mistake, your brain actually grows to figure it out. So, every time you fail, you aren't losing. You are just gaining XP for the next level. Method number 2. The 1% rule. This one is for when you have a big goal. Maybe you want to read 50 books or run a marathon. That sounds huge, right? It's scary. The secret is, don't look at the top of the mountain. Instead, just try to get 1% better today. Don't try to read a whole book. Just read 1 page. Don't try to run a mile. Just put on your shoes and walk to the mailbox. This is called the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, by the end of the year, you won't be just a little better. You will be 37 times better. Small steps add up to giant leaps. Method number 3, the tomato trick. This is for when you just can't focus. You sit down to do homework, but then you look at your phone. Then you look out the window. Then you want a snack. Here is the trick. Use a tomato. It's called the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro is Italian for tomato. Here's how it works. First, set a timer for 25 minutes. Second, work on one thing until the timer rings. No phone, no snacks. Third, when it rings, take a 5-minute break. Do whatever you want. Your brain can focus perfectly for 25 minutes. It's like a sprint. Knowing a break is coming makes the work feel easy. So those are your 3 cheat codes for life. 1, the power of yet. Change I can't to I can't yet. 2, the 1% rule. Take tiny steps to get huge results. 3, the tomato trick. Work for 25 minutes, then break. Now, I have a challenge for you. I want you to pick just one of these methods to try today. Don't try to do all 3. Just pick one. Which one did you pick? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to keep leveling up your life, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video.